Now we are seeing the types of food according to season. There are, that 4 seasons we have, and then 4 seasons in the northern hemisphere or in India, if we can say like. So here it is one, you can say fall season foods, fall season foods, fall seasons food, and fall season is occurring in India in the northern hemisphere September month, October month. So fall seasons. The first one is fall seasons food, and it is growing in the month of September, October, November. These are the months fall season, yeah, and that you can say it is like an autumn. It is also like an what? Autumn, autumn season. So in the fall season we can say we are growing here. It is, yes, apples, beets, Brussels sprouts, grainberries, figs, winter squash, and then Swiss chard. So these are the mostly in India. It is we are having at more of apples, beets, sugar beets, figs, cranberries. We are growing this more in India, and there are other Swiss chard is also coming in India in the present time. We are getting some kind of seeds. उसके seeds ला रहे हैं, grow भी कर रहे हैं हम लोग. And after that, after the fall season food, there is a coming of winter season food. There is a coming of winter season food. Second, winter season, you can say food. So winter season food we start from what? हम लोग December, January, February. So these are the 3 months you can say that we are having winter foods. And then during the winter we are getting radish, mooli, grapefruits. Kale is kind of American kale. It is also our foreign countries. It is very much important. It's like a gobi ka patta and all. And leeks, lemons, oranges. But in the present time, oranges बहुत सारे season में आने लग गया है. But oranges also it is very famous, and then chestnuts. So winter foods are like this. After the fall season, we have a winter season, and in the winter season we have a winter foods or winter season foods. And after the winter, there is a coming of spring season, and in the spring season, we are getting spring food or spring season food, and that is you can say around February, some days of February, then March, and in April month you can say that spring season foods are there. And in the spring season foods, we have spring season foods, and here it is. We have avocados, a kind of fruit, cherries, mangoes. From the month of April, we started getting mangoes. In the southern India, we started getting spinach, strawberries, apricots, asparagus. So we are getting, these are the foods, spring foods we are getting during these months. And thereafter, we have a fourth season, that is a summer season food. And the summer season food, you can say that is along with summer we have a wet season, means rainfall. Rainy season is also included. Rainy season. And from the month of May, June, July, August, and some period of September also. But these are the 4 months. There is a summer season food. It is there. Summer season food. And in the summer season food, there is blueberries. You can have blueberries, bell peppers, corn, cucumbers. That is from the May month, cucumbers वगैरह, pineapple, watermelon, broccoli. These are the famous summer foods or summer season foods. Now food variety, that in India we have food variety. And if you see food variety, that foods can be made in different variety by using different items and vegetables. You know that in different parts of India, like if you'll come to northern India, especially Punjab and all, there is, and I said, chole, bhature, different kind of foods which are coming. And if you'll go to the, what I said, Bihar, there is litti, chokha, different kinds of foods are coming. So every region, and every region south, if you'll go idli, dosa, different kind of foods which comes. And along with the different vegetables that in that region growing. So किसी region में जो grow हो रहा है उसी चीज़ से grow करके वो लोग वहाँ पे grow करते हैं. वैसा ही food जैसा grow, जैसे the kind of grains you are getting, the same kind of what I said related to that grains, जो food grains वहाँ grow हो रहा है उसी से food बनाते हैं different types. और climate भी हमने बता दिया कि climate और landscape भी important part है. अपना अच्छे से रोक कर वीडियो को आप लोग प्लीज़ कीप ऑन. आई सेड दैट स्टॉप द वीडियो, watch the, I said, these matters and scan it up. If you want to, I said, take a photo of it for your revision, you can take the photos also. I said food variety means different types of foods from the entire range of food groups like vegetables, fruits, cereals, meat, fish and dairy products. So there is an, I said, somewhere vegetables you take, fruits take. With the help of vegetables and fruits, different kind of foods will be formed in different parts of India. With the help of cereals, different cereals, there is a rice, wheat, there is bajra, jowar, ragi, different kind of it. With the help of that, different foods are made. Meats, I said that in North India, South India, West India, East India, different kind of mixture by making masala and all, spices, the different foods come into play. Fish will be also in the every parts of India, dairy products. So if we are mixing and in different quantity, in different proportion, then you can be able to get different foods in the different part of India. So food variety means different types of foods from the entire range of food groups like vegetables, fruits, cereals, meat, fish and dairy products. So I said different foods provide different types and amounts of key nutrients.